go to the cards, which is the smallest, will be cut by this. Okay, this is number 1, number 2, 3, number 4. Okay, so, oh look, that's a lovely cards. Oh here, still work. It is still good. Yeah. Okay, we are ready. Then we do some little flip here. Okay, ready? Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, here's. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, let's see. I check the number ones. Okay, oh, it's 4. It's bad. Oh, it might be the sad one. Okay, let's see the number 2s. Oh, been sad. Oh, it will be destroyed, right? Okay, this is 3 and this is 4. And how about this one? Oh, this is 2. Look, oh, that's so lovely. Oh. And how about number? This is 1. It's 8. It is we just count 1. So this is 4, 3, 2, 1. It will be destroyed. So that bad. Just so lovely, guys. Yeah, look. Okay. Ready to destroy this thing.